Using tags in GoHighLevel is one of the simplest way to organize your leads and keep your CRM neat and actionable. If you have never used a tagging system before, GoHighLevel makes it easier, and it's help you by sorting, filtering, and manage your contacts so that following up becomes faster and more effective. In this video, I will show you how to use tag step by step so you can stay organized and make your lead management effortless. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to use the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial and the live bootcamp access and obviously some exclusive bonuses. Okay, now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel account or dashboard, just simply click on this contact from this left panel and you can see there are all of your contacts available here. And if you notice here, you can see there is an option for the tag and all of the contacts are listed according to their action or the activity. Now how you can add more easily, just simply click on this here and it will be open like this, and if you go to the down you can see there is an option for the tag. And so let's say I don't want to tag this contact as a click tag, so I can remove this. Okay, then just keep it as it is. Now get back. Okay, just wait a second and it will be refresh. Okay, let's refresh. See, is already updated. Now how you can organize all of these things to track better? So you can see there is option for filter. Just click on this and go down and you can see there is option for the tag. Now click here, you can sorting by all of your tags. So if I had more, I was able to select more to the better filtration. So let's say I want to see the contact which only came from the home pop-up, and let's apply. Now close this and you can see this is the contact who came from the home pop-up. So basically this is how you can organize, you can understand better by the help of the tag system in the GoHighLevel inbuilt. So once you start using the tag in GoHighLevel, managing your lead become much easier. You will quickly be able to identify hot leads, the segment your audience, and run targeted campaign without confusion. It's a simple feature that saves you time and makes your follow-up smarter and more organized. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.